Number 5 is HP M602DN Wireless MonoChrome Printer. The all-in-one HP M602DN Wireless MonoChrome Printer emerges as the front-runner for the best wireless printer under $2,000 in 2024. Its elegant light gray/dark gray color scheme seamlessly blends style and functionality. With an impressive maximum print speed of 52 ppm for both color and monochrome, it effortlessly outperforms the competition, setting a new standard of excellence. The M602DN stands out with its user-friendly workflow management features conveniently accessible on the printer, guaranteeing efficiency at your fingertips. Need a speedy print? Just insert a flash drive and get your documents in an instant. The printer's Energy Star qualification is a noteworthy feature for those conscious of energy consumption, reducing energy use by up to 45% compared to many other laser printers in the same class. The M602DN printer provides seamless operation on both Windows and Mac systems, offering versatility to cater to different user preferences. Its sturdy build is showcased by its substantial dimensions of 20 by 16.34 by 15.67 inches and a weight of 57.9 pounds. With a wattage of 820 watts, the printer's performance is further enhanced, highlighting its power and efficiency. To get this wireless printer right now, click on the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best wireless printers under $2,000 in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these printers. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.